So let's get started. Let's dive into the work proper. So this is where the work becomes tougher. This is where the crankshaft sensor is located. This is the connector of the crankshaft position sensor. This is the connector, and this is the connector from the ECU. This is the engine control unit. You get. So it has a 10 millimeter bolt. Let's take off that 10 millimeter bolt by using this socket handle and this short extension 10 millimeter socket. So it's going to be like this. Let's see if it's going to fix it. Of course, I know this will solve the problem. In my company, we don't work based on assumption. We know what we're doing. What needs to be done. Okay. Take this off. It looks stiff. Looks tight. Crankshaft position sensor. This is a crankshaft position sensor for that sonata 2015. So we're placing this one first to start with. We'll proceed with other replace. I wanted to take out the spark to see how the combustion fires up.
Now say no can out today, have you?
Okay. Looks like the spark plug fires very well because, like I said, it's an underlying issue. It's an underlying issue. So it tells it comes and goes. So that's why it looks like the spark plug is working. So this is not a focus. I just wanted to observe it if it's burning up. This is not a focus. This is a focus. This sensor is a focus.